Here's how you can make your iPad keyboard full size. So let me guide you through it. If it's your first time on this channel, definitely become part of the community for more videos like this. So it depends on the iPad, but the keyboard might be either like very small one or it might be split in the middle. And the point is that you can most definitely control it using either gestures or the buttons. Because for example, if you have a keyboard, which is like the small one floating on the screen, you want to make it go back to the full size, you can pinch on it like that and it will return to the full size of the keyboard. Then you can obviously pinch in again and then it's going to come back to the small size. So sometimes it's nice, but it's definitely required to know how it works, right? So that's definitely something you need to do. But then of course, if you, for example, have the screen or the full screen keyboard shown right there, you can hold down on the button in the bottom right, and this is going to give you the ability to click a few buttons and actually switch between the modes of the keyboard. So you're not like switching through gestures, but through a different approach, but it gets the same job done. And it also depends on the iPad models, because some of them can also support or offer the split keyboard, and some of them do not. Like the iPad Pro, which I have here, does not support the split keyboard, even though it could definitely do it, but it doesn't for some reason. But the iPad mini should definitely support it, so I can even pinch out like that or pinch it in and also switch between this type of keyboard. So that's another way how you can make it go back to the full size. So I hopefully was able to help you out and assist with this problem or issue. I would really love to hear your feedback below. Thanks a lot for watching, and just hit the thumbs up to let me know if you liked the video. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you then.